gonna spray it into the box, but I did like the other one, the blue. Oh my gosh. Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just received my BIRCHBOX beauty box for the month of May. I'll pop all the information and stuff right here. I did receive BIRCHBOX a very long time ago when it was just $10, and I had a great experience even back then. So I'm kind of dipping my toes again, trying different subscription boxes and services. If you have suggestions, drop them down below. And so far I'm really liking the experience this time around as well. It is packaged well. We have our little informational card. We've got all of our little protective little strings in there. We have an informational card here, our favorites this month, and then we have a QR code that we can also scan to get pertinent details. Out of office, into the sun. This month's box is designed with beauty on the move in mind. Effortless essentials that travel well, layer easily, and keep up with the warmer days ahead. Think lightweight hydration, sun-ready staples, and glow-enhancing formulas that work from morning to golden hour. Toss it in your carry-on, your beach bag, or your everyday tote. These are the pieces you'll reach for again and again. Here's to a season of going places, feeling good, and looking radiant every step of the way. And how perfect that my little sunshiny look is kind of going along with the theming. Already liking what I'm seeing. First up is the Kopari, the Seychelles Sands with creamy vanilla and musk, the hair and body mist. This is a full size. I have actually tried the other version of this in like the aqua. I already have fragrance and stuff on. Full transparency, I'm actually leaving in just a few minutes. So I'm gonna spray it into the box. But I did like the other one, the blue. Oh my gosh. I like that one actually better than the blue one. That smells incredible. And you do get to choose each of your items from the different categories and stuff. Do I ever remember what I've picked? I sure don't. Next up, we have a full size of the Dr. B Lab, the Foaming Face Cleanser. Next up is the LADYBUG Cosmetics, the Shade Sticks. Ooh, in the shade Aloha. Is this like a bronzer? I'm assuming. And that is what it looks like. So I would consider this more just based on, whoa, that is very slippy. Based on just kind of initial look and swatch, I feel like this is more contoury. I'm actually gonna try just a teeny tiny bit. I did already set, so this may not go over very well. But the texture of this, if you are familiar with the LYS Beauty formulation, it feels very much like that. Has some slip, seems to blend out incredibly easily. So I think I'm gonna like this a lot. Blending and diffusing easily as well. Ooh, I like the shade of this. That is pretty. Okay, I'm excited about that. All right, y'all, look, we're starting off with a bang. I'm loving everything so far. Next up is the Kinder Beauty, the IPSY. Oh my gosh. IPSY, that's marked out. Eyeshadow cream. Y'all, yeah, I mean, I saw IPSY, okay, in my defense. This is an eyeshadow cream, and I'm keeping this in too. I am not gonna open this just yet, but it looks to be like a pretty, like, yellowy, nudie type of shade. That looks really stunning and perfect for summertime. Y'all, IPSY. Are y'all cussing me out in the comments down below? I don't blame you at all. And then last up, we have a cutie patootie of the Dr. Lip, the Miracle Balm, 100% natural for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. And I don't see I don't know if this is like shaded or scented, fruity, or any of those things. It is safety sealed, which y'all know I appreciate. Squeeze test. It's very thick and takes a second to get out. Very kind of petroleum jelly-y. But even just upon first swatch on my finger, it does smooth out. It is definitely a little bit more dense, a little bit more thick and rich. I don't smell anything at all. I don't want to disrupt what I have on. Like I said, I'm leaving. We're actually, unfortunately, going to a memorial in just a few minutes. So I'm gonna put a tiny bit. Yeah, very thick upon first application. Okay, for me personally, I would only wear this at nighttime. Or, you know, use it around my nose, elbows, use it on my like cuticles and stuff like that, because it is a little bit, just a little thick, like you can feel it on the lips. So I'll run that down very quickly. We got our Dr. Lips Miracle Balm. We got our Kinder Beauty Aisha Dough Cream. Eyeshadow cream. I'm trying to see what shade this is with the little seals on it. Oh, and Proud Pink. That does not look pink. I am gonna actually open it and see. Oh, that is pretty. I would not call that pink. It's kind of very light salmony peach. Yeah, I'm not getting pink from that. That's really pretty though. Kind of very, very subtle. I'm not sure if this is meant to be more, it just says eyeshadow cream. I don't know if it's meant to be more of like a base. This would have actually worked beautifully for the look that I did for today. So I'll test it and kind of give you guys some updates. Next up was the NOMAD Cosmetics, the shade stick in Aloha. Love the shade, like the packaging, the texture and stuff like that was really nice. It blends out incredibly well. So far so good on that. The Dr. B Lab, the Foaming Face Cleanser, of course full size, and the Kopari, the Seychelles Sands with Creamy Vanilla and Musk, the Hair and Body Mist. Maybe I'll put a tiny bit in my hair. I do like to layer fragrances, but I want them to kind of match and go well together. I'm wearing the Korres Kumquat fragrance today, so I think it'll pair well. That smells great, you guys. But that is it. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 again. Wonderful value. I like all the products in here. And I actually like that they did put in products that kind of correspond with like the month that we're in. Like they're saying, hey, we're getting you ready for summertime. We want you to smell yummy and delicious and fresh. We want you to have a little pop of color, all of the things. So I am impressed. I like the box a lot. I'd like to know what you guys thought. Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you guys coming into my space. Thank you for welcoming me into your space. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. You can also hype my videos. You can turn on the bell so you never miss any of my videos. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.